This video will provide some tips and tricks with the map maker on ThunderBunnyLabs.com. If your picture doesn't quite fill the whole state, you can change the background color to help. You can also use the eyedropper to match colors from your photo exactly. This is great for filling in clear skies like this. If your photo doesn't fill in the whole state and the background color does not work, sometimes you can create a fake background to fill in the blank space. First, add the photo again. Second, resize it so that the pattern will fill the blank space. Third, click the down arrow to send the bigger image to the back. There, now it fills the empty space for a consistent appearance. Every mapmaker region has a buffer area. This area will usually be hidden once placed into your photo map, but we recommend filling in the whole area when possible to give some margin of error when the photo is printed and cut. If you don't fill the buffer area completely, you may notice some white space near the edges of your stickers. If you have white space, make sure to align your map precisely so the white space is hidden underneath your map board. Some of our photo map designs include hidden regions that you can turn on and add photos to. To enable these, click Settings and look for the regions. We will enable Puerto Rico in our project. Optional regions will be printed with a white border to match the look and feel of the rest of the map. Unlike other photos, you'll need to place these on top of your map since there won't be cutouts. Your project's timeline displays your photos chronologically. From the timeline, you can create unique images showcasing your accomplishments. After choosing your options, you can instantly download the images to share with friends. You can flip your photos horizontally. Sometimes this will make it fit better into the state. When you order stickers, you can use the filters to only select the states you have edited in the past day. This is useful if you've added a few new photos and only want to order those stickers. Do you have another tip for the map maker? Share it with us in the comments below.